On March 28, 2021, the Broward County Sheriffs Office was called to the scene at the airport for reports of a potential incident occurring with a man boarding an airplane. The following shows the body-worn camera footage of what happened during the incident.
What's going on?
You can do as you please, but I paid for this flight. I have an appointment I have to make. So she's trying to take me off of my flight that I paid for, and I need to get to a appointment.
Okay, you understand? Well, I'm not going to talk to you. Hang up the phone so we can have a conversation.
Go ahead, talk.
Well, put the phone away.
Talk.
Put the phone away.
I'm on the phone with Spirit Airlines,
right,
which is my right to do.
And it's their right to deny you boarding. Okay, is it? And obviously he's not flying.
So what would you like me to do?
You need to go to the front of him and...
No, because they take me off of my flight that I have to make an appointment for.
Listen, has he been refunded?
No, not yet. He doesn't want to cooperate. I need all this information.
So I do not want to cooperate. This is a flight that I paid for.
It doesn't matter. They're not going to give you. They're not going to allow you to board the plane.
For what?
I don't know.
For what?
I already asked you.
So state for the reason why I'm not allowed to board my plane.
So how did it start?
They couldn't understand because he seems intoxicated.
Okay.
You're also going to be holding
Alright, so it appears that they don't want to allow the flight crew does not want to let you on due to the fact you appear to be intoxicated, so they don't want you to fly.
I have paid for my flight, so I would like to get on my flight.
You're intoxicated, you can't go.
I'm not intoxicated. You want to give me a breathalyzer test? Let's do a breathalyzer test, bro.
They don't have to.
So do a breathalyzer test, bro.
It's not for us, it's them. We don't have to.
Okay, I'm not intoxicated. They serve alcohol on the plane,
They've already decided you're not going to fly.
I have to go home.
It's not happening. Not on.
So give me a full refund of every dime I spent.
They need your information so they can refund you.
No, because I would like to get to my home.
You hear what you're saying? You say you want a refund, but you're not giving them the information.
I would like to get to my home.
It's not happening. Not on this plane.
Like I have a home to get to, and I would like to get to my home.
Either you can give me your information so you can refund it, or you can go to spend the night in jail. It's up to you.
Trust me, you will not have your job in the morning.
We can go there, that's fine. But I'm letting you know, if you want your money back, she needs your information.
You will not have your job in the morning.
Do you want your money back?
I'm letting you know now.
Do you want your money back?
I would like to get on my plane to go home.
The plane is gone.
I would like to get on my plane to go home.
It's gone.
Okay, so get me on the next plane to go home.
I don't work for Spirit.
Okay, so why are you here?
They need your information.
Exactly, that's my point. You're not here for a reason. You have no reason to be here.
They need your information.
So again, I would like my plane ticket to go home.
They need your plane ticket so they can do that.
And I've given them my plane ticket 4 times already, and they have not done me a goddamn to go to home.
That's not an option. That's not an option.
It's not an option on that point. You gotta give me an option because I was sitting in my seat silent
and they've now
with nobody near me.
Well, now you're not flying.
Now they're not gonna give me a fucking ticket.
You are not flying.
I don't give a what you say.
Then you're gonna, alright.
Let's go to let me get my refund, and they're gonna have to sign me a fucking deal to go to fuck home.
Let's go.
I paid for the ticket.
Hey, go. Let's go.
I paid for the You need to stop. I'm not trying to hit you. I'm not trying to hit you.
We're done with this. We're done with that. Don't you ever. Don't ever.
I'm just trying to go to fuck home. Don't you ever do that. Hey, boss, I'm just trying to go home. Please just let me go.
Your day's over.
I'm just trying to go home.
Take this off.
You chose to do this. You chose it.
Hang on.
Call Christina.
Yeah.
You want to get all loud and mouthy?
I'm not trying to argue with you guys. Don't you ever put I'm not trying to argue with you guys. I was just putting my hands up. I apologize. I do apologize.
You can apologize to county jail. Have a good day. That will never happen.
Sir, please, just look at me. I apologize. I apologize.
We're done.
You had more than enough jail.
I apologize, sir. Can you please
I'm sure you apologize now.
Can you please just let me go home, please, boss?
After you spend the night in jail.
I do apologize. I'm sorry for what I did. I just need to go home. I have a kid at home.
Don't stop
Please,
talking.
boss.
Stop talking.
Please, boss.
Stop talking.
I'm just trying to be representable.
Stop. Use your right to remain silent.
Okay, I'm just trying to be representable with you, and I haven't done anything wrong.
Stop talking.
I was trying to get on my plate to go home.
Stop talking.
Hurt. Can I get my cell phone, please?
No.
I need my cell phone.
You're not getting it.
Make a phone call. Your cuffs are too tight, officer. I apologize. I just want to say sorry to you personally. Representable to you as a...
Excuse me.
Can I bail myself out? Can you answer that question for me, sir? I'm not getting aggressive with you, sir. Can you please not be aggressive with me? I have nothing on my person other than my wallet. Look, sir. I would just like to get my refund and go home. What do I need to do? I bail myself out. I have enough money to bail myself out. What do I have to do? What did I do? Other than I'm being cooperative, but I'm trying to ask you what I'm being arrested for, sir. No, I would like for you to tell me, please, sir. You are the sergeant, right?
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.